Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix widgets not working in iPhone. Widgets on your iPhone enable you to quickly glance at information that matters to you from your favorite apps. These nifty little tiles can be added to your iPhone's home screen in a variety of shapes and sizes to show you information about the weather, your favorite podcast, your battery status and more. Many third-party apps include user widgets that you can add to your widgets. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is to reset your network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is update the app whose widget is not working. For this, go to the App Store and then tap on your profile at the top. Next, scroll down to see the apps that is needed to be updated and you are done. And the next step is disable low power mode. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on battery and then tap on low power mode toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is turn off low data mode. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and then tap on low data mode toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. If the updates does not fix the widgets problem, try restarting your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is temporarily change the language of your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on language and region. From here, tap on add language. If your current setting is English US, change it to English Canada and you are done. See if the widgets work in a few seconds or not. If not, then go back to settings and then language and region. Next, tap on region and select a different region and again go to the home screen and see if this region change has forced the widget to refresh or work or not. And you are done. If some of the widget app are not refreshing themselves, please ensure that background app refresh is turned on. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on background app refresh. Next, tap on background app refresh at the top and turn on background app refresh and you are done. The next step is remove a widget from the home screen and re-edit it. Touch and hold the widget to open the quick action menu. Then tap on remove widget and then tap on remove again to confirm. Next, tap on the edit button and then tap on the plus icon. From here, you can add widget and then swipe through the size options and then tap on add widget. While the apps are still jiggling, move the widgets where you want it to on the screen and then tap on done. If you are having issues with the widget of third-party apps on your iPhone, simply delete the app and then download it and install again and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of widgets not working on iPhone after update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.